Okay, so kada kayo amin bisitas mi iti dayto yung padaya kapang urayan tayo DJ naman DJ urayan tayo. So palubusan na pa lang
Agsuma.
kapunta inayapan ko. So nagsawa kon. So kada kayo amin ako Vice, thank you very much for coming. Vice Mayor Nick Soriano.
Sebastian.
Sorry. Sebastian.
Talagang hindi ka mataga-Rojas Made.
Si of course the board member Honorable Tony, the Sangguniang Bayan member, and the only Ross among the Thorns, SB Domingo, and the ex-officio member of Sangguniang Bayan, being the Liga ng